capabilities of simulating a fourth or fifth generation fighter aircraft. The aircraft can undertake several combat missions, including air support and tactical reconnaissance. Currently, Singapore, Italy, Israel, Poland, Qatar and Greece are all operating the M346 combat jet. So why is the Nigerian Air Force procuring these jets? And what are the challenges that it is facing? Let's take a look. Nigeria currently has a total of only 38 combat aircraft. Its inventory is made of the French-made Alpha jet, the Chinese-manufactured Chengdu J7 aircraft, the Brazilian-made Embraer EMB 314, and the China-manufactured JF-17 Thunder. But Nigeria's current fleet of fighter jets is getting old and obsolete. Secondly, the security challenges are increasing at a